This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Janet Thrall. Take a drive down the asphalt lane to Piney Woods Estates, a small subdivision of 9 homes. 3.3 acres of privacy off Chickahominy Road in Toano. Surrounded by trees and nature. 4 bedrooms/bonus and 2.5 baths. Floor plan has great room with gas fireplace, dining room and kitchen all open. Hardwood floors in downstairs living areas. Kitchen has tile floor, stainless appliances that all convey including refrigerator, dishwasher, microwave and new propane gas oven. Pantry, washer/dryer convey. Large primary bedroom with 2 closets. Second and third BRs plus the 4th bedroom or bonus room. 2-car garage with asphalt driveway. Deck and fence back lawn and plenty of woods behind home. 3 blueberry bushes and 2 pear trees that have been flourishing. For more information,